Hi guys, welcome back again to Dami Dimensions channel. Today I'm sharing with you the finished result of the ruffle top we made in my previous video. If you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. Link will be in the description box or at the end of this video. This piece came out so good that I took videos and pictures of it from different angles, and I just want to share with you in this separate video. So I'm just gonna leave you guys to watch the video and enjoy the music. So remember to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Enjoy.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's go for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.